Okay, 2.4.21. I'm looking at this thing right here, and we want to know if it's constructible, if a hexagon is constructible, if the side is constructible. So if the side is constructible, is the area constructible? So I went ahead and drew it out there and showed that it's made out of 6 different regular triangles. But that's also just by looking at it. Let's actually like show that it's actually made of these 6 equilateral triangles. So first of all, to get theta, we just take 360 divided by 6 to get the 60 degrees. Then when we want to find this angle right here, let's call it beta, we just take the internal angle. So if we want the internal angles of any hexagon, we can just go ahead and do something like this, and then we can make a bunch of triangles. So each of these triangles has 180 degrees in it. So 180 degrees, I'm seeing 4 triangles, so that's going to be 720 degrees. So for any hexagon, we're going to have internal angles of 720 degrees divided by 6, which is 120 degrees. So that beta angle is 120 degrees. So then let's call this an alpha angle right here, which is half of that. That's going to be 60 degrees. Okay, so we've shown that take this red triangle, for example. We know that alpha is 60, so that's going to be 60. So 60 on the left, 60 on the right. And then we have this S value here. Okay, so now let's show that this is constructible, this red triangle here. This is a 30, 60, 90. So if that's S, then this must be S over 2 just by using regular triangles. S over 2. And then this right here, this line, you know what, let's just do this. This is going to be root 3 over 2s. Okay, so we can see that the area of half of that red is going to be base times height times 2. So root 3 over 2 times s over 2, root 3s over 2, which is going to be s squared root 3 over 2. So we know s squared is constructible. We know root 3 is constructible. We know 2 is constructible. So that whole thing is constructible. Oh, yeah, base times height divided by 2. Okay, so we actually messed up there. This all needs to be divided by 2. So this will end up being a 4 here. Oh, sorry. That'll end up being an 8 there. Okay, that'll be an 8. So then when we double that for the whole red triangle, that's going to be, the whole red triangle is going to be area equals s squared root 3 over 4. And we know that we have 6 of them, so all we have to do is multiply that by 6. So the area red, so now area total is going to be 6s squared root 3 over 4, which simplifies down to 3s squared root 3 all over 2. And there you go. We know that 3 is constructible, s is constructible, so s squared is constructible. We know root 3 is constructible, 2 is constructible, so the whole thing is constructible.